What's going on, guys? Bailey from Subimods here. Today we're going to be showing you the Stage 1 dress-up bolt kit, and we're going to be installing it on the 22 WRX. Alright guys, here is the Stage 1 engine dress-up kit and the hardware for the seats. So you're not just limited to this true burned color here, you're also going to have access to getting them in blue, purple, polished, gold, and even black. So you have many options here to choose from to be able to really suit your needs as far as whatever you have going on in your engine bay, whether you're trying to keep a color scheme going or looking to try to bring some attention to the hardware that's not necessarily gained from just looking inside of your engine bay. This dress-up bolt kit's not going to necessarily turn your car into an F1 race car. So for you consumers that may have already have aftermarket parts or looking to get into doing aftermarket parts inside that engine bay, this will help to aid and really bring that engine bay, again, to life and just really to your personal preferences. All right, guys, we're not going to sit here and bore you with installing every single one of the bolts that comes in these kits, but what we are going to do, once they are installed on the car, we'll show you the comparison from stock to the dress-up bolt kit. As you guys can see, we didn't show you every single piece on this kit being installed, but we showed you the main components that you will see first and foremost when you see this kit in the car. So without further ado, let's show you what the Stage 1 engine bay kit can do for you. Now we're going to be moving on to doing the dress-up bolts for the seats. Alright guys, so thanks for watching our brief installation of the dress-up bolts. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.